You have the Vortex Sync. It looks like this, white. It's a little bit older phone, and you need to factory reset it for whatever reason. You need to turn it back into your employer, or you're going to give it to a family member. So let's factory reset it. And before we do it, let's talk about Find My Device. So let's go to Security and Location, Find My Device settings right there. And you have to decide whether or not to completely remove it so the phone can be used easily. Otherwise, whoever uses the phone next 100% has to log in with your Google or Gmail login and password. So I always recommend when it's time to turn it in to turn Find My Device off. And now let's get into settings. Go back to settings. Let's go all the way down, scroll all the way down to System. Inside System, you'll see Reset Options, touch Reset Options. And inside Reset Options, you'll see Erase All Data, Factory Reset. You see how that said that? Factory Reset. This will erase everything, your phone's internal storage, your Google account, system, download music, photos, and other data and apps. So your Google... the only time that your Google account is not erased, or the part of the Google account that's not erased, is if you've turned on the Find My Device. So now you just press Reset, and then it asks you to confirm, and it's that easy. If you need to reset your phone with the buttons because you've forgotten your screen lock, password, login information, then watch this video next. This video will show you how to do it.